up, FedEx up 24 Heavy.
Delta 2338, give way to FedEx at hotel.
Give way to FedEx at hotel, Delta 2338.
FedEx 724 Heavy, change to tower frequency 125.32.
2532, FedEx up 24.
So 85 Heavy, tower 11708, runway 8 left for land. FedEx 4690, exit effective Bravo 11, taxi Mississippi.
Bravo 11, reach Westcast 4698.
Connect departure connect.
503, will do.
Delta 766 on Ronnie, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
8 right, clear for takeoff, RNAV Ronnie, Delta 766.
Delta 1682, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
Delta 1682, line up and wait, runway right, 8 right. Delta 1705, burn confirmed.
Delta 1705, final sky 11807, coming down the right, clear to land.
Clear to land, RNAV Delta 1705.
7, RNAV the widest from the 9 left and right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV the widest, higher left right, clear for takeoff.
So 1198, wind attendant, 9.2 line up and wait. Short delay for Enfield station, traffic will be downfield.
1198, line up and wait, higher left and right, clear downfield.
5130 at final sky 11809, coming down the right, clear to land.
9 right, clear line there, 5130.
American 629, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
Line up wait, 8 right, American 629.
Delta 1261, connect departure connect.
Delta 1261, good day. American 25.
3371, give way to FedEx at hotel.
Delta 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company Airbus.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus, Delta 1971.
Delta 2684, company at November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, roger.
Then 3514 at Papa Cross going on the left, to Lima, 0.75.
Yeah, Papa Cross fire west, Lima, 0.75, 3514.
438, traffic 2.5 out, cross runway 9 right, and turn left on November.
Line up 9 right, left on November, Delta 2438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, always go to Papa.
Left and over, hold for the Papa, Delta 9012.
Denver 3301, disregard traffic.
Lima, 0.75. Delta 1971 at Papa Cross going on the left, on Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438 at Papa Cross going on the left, on Lima, 0.75.
Left side left from Papa, over 0.75, Delta 2438.
And departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes sir, connect departure connect.
Good night, thanks.
Left 7557 on Ronnie, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, 8 right, RNAV Ronnie, 7567.
Southwest 5614, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
8 right, line up away, Southwest 5614.
Up 2338, taxi 5
Taxi goes towards Delta 2638.
649, connect departure connect.
669, good day.
1708, runway 8 left, clear land.
Clear line 8 left, roll to 1 right.
It's on November, almost go to Papa.
Take cross 9 right, business here in Charlie, left on November, short of Papa, Delta 2428. 4 8 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 5614.
Delta 503, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
You're right, line away, Delta.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Yeah, we're going to 3 cross.
1370, taxi 5 and 6 is up 1370.
Level 1376 approx cross going down the left, going 1.75.
Heavy traffic, 3 miles. That's the approach then. Cross away left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi company right.
Okay, clear to cross, G left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717, FedEx 724.
That's my 238, give way to FedEx at hotel.
Give way to FedEx at hotel, that's going to 30.
FedEx 724, they changed the power to 215,
2532, FedEx 724.
So 85 heavy power with 1708, runway 8 left for land. That was 2690, as the effective Bravo 11, taxi 6.
Bravo 11, exit, gas 26.
Sub 1705, minus downwind 1807, going down the right, clear to land.
7 on out the widest and another for Mike 2, good, take off. Still 1198, when it's turning around, Mike spot up and wait for delay for trail spacing, traffic will be downfield.
5130, minus downwind 1809, coming down the right.
American 629, a lot of power way, right on the way.
Right away, any red, American 629.
Down from 61, gonna park here. I'll stop the door, get in. American 25, that's 33, so we'll get way to FedEx, that hotel.
Level 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company's front.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus, Delta 1971.
Level 2684 company in November 2, gonna follow you.
Delta 2684, run this.
Delta 14 at Papa cross going down the left, run Lima 0.75.
And Papa Cross 9 west, 0.75 there, 3940.
438, grab 2.5 knots, cross going down the right, turn left on November. Delta 912, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left and order, hold short of Papa, Delta 912.
Denver 33, go 1 to start 7.
Martha, good night.
Good night, man. We'll just take 2 minutes.
Coming down the left, go Lima 0.75.
Cross line, 9 miles on, Lima 0.75,
Delta 1971 at Papa cross going down the left, go Lima 0.75.
Cross 9 of Papa, join Lima 0.75, 1971.
Level 2438 at Papa cross going down the left, go Lima 0.75.
Outside left, Papa, 25 Delta 438. And departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes, sir, gonna depart tonight, thanks. Flight 2557 on Amberoni, you're on lane right, 30 seconds. Your takeoff day right on Amberoni, 2557, southwest 56, 4 feet, 100 pound lane right, on the way.
8 right, right up the way, southwest 56.
Up 23, yeah, 38, taxi 5. Taxi 2 is Lewis, up 13. 629, can I start here?
November, hold short of Papa.
Big Cross 9 right, and then steering Charlie left on November, short of Papa, Delta 24 point.
48 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 5614.
Delta 503, 11 Tower, right, on the way. You're right, on the way.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Yeah, we're looking at 3 crossing.
Delta 775, 6 with Delta 775.
Bottom point A right, about 0.365.
Awesome, and then Southwest 5, Southwest 94.
Double 1376 to Papa Cross, going out of left, going 0.75.
Heavy traffic, 3 miles. That's the approach then. Crossway left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi runway 8 right.
Okay, cleared across, 8 left at hotel, hold short of 8 right, give way to the 717, FedEx 720
That's my 238, give way to FedEx at hotel. Give way to FedEx at hotel, those points are through. FedEx 724, maintain housing from 215,
2532, FedEx 721.
So 8550 power, 1708, runway 8 left, turn left. That was 40-90, exit Bravo 11, taxi to
Bravo 11, exit, gas,
Okay, right on that run. 614 on a turn lane, right off the way.
8 right of the way, southwest
23, yes, 38, taxi 5 and 2.
Taxi goes towards Southwest 38.
On November, hold short of Papa.
Take Cross 9 lane, and steer Charlie left on November, short of Papa, Delta 21.
8 right, perfect takeoff, Southwest 5214.
Delta 503 on a turn lane, right off the way.
You're right on the way.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Now we're going to recross the
Delta 1370, taxi 5 and 2. Take a look on 1370. On a turn lane, right off the way.
right of way, 8 right, about 2365.
Papa, and then airplane 5, that was my fault.
1376 to Papa Cross, coming out of left, going 1.75.
Heavy traffic, 3 miles. That's the approach at crossway left. Give way to 171 from the left, taxi runway right.
Okay, clear to cross, keep left at hotel, hold short of 8 right, give way to the 717, FedEx 720.
That's my 238, give way to FedEx at hotel.
Give way to FedEx at hotel, that's 2238.
FedEx 721, change in housing, 15,
2532, FedEx 724.
85 heavy power, 11708, runway 8 left, go land. That was 4590, exit taxiway Bravo 11, taxi 6.
Bravo 11, exit, Gateway.
Delta 1705, minus downwind 1807, coming out of right, middle lane.
7 on as a line is coming out of the light. Please start takeoff. Shuttle 1198, want to turn around, flight 2 on away. For delay for Enfield Station, traffic will be downfield.
5130, minus downwind 1809, coming out of right.
American 629 on a turn lane, right on the way.
I believe they red, American 629.
Delta 61, connect, park connect.
Delta 61, connect.
American 2590. Taxi, so we'll give way to FedEx at hotel.
Delta 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind company.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus, Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company, November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 26,
Delta 3514 at Papa Cross, going out of left, run name off 175.
and Papa Cross 9 west, Lima, 175, 3514.
438, just 2.5 knots, cross going out of right, turn left on November. South 912, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left at order, hold short of Papa, 2012.
traffic.
Parker, good night.
Good night, man. We'll keep 15 minutes.
Coming out of left, Control Lima, 0.75.
Cleared across line, 9 left on Lima, 0.75, inside, going 22,
Plus 1971 at Papa Cross, going out of left, Control Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 at Papa Charlie Lima, 0.75, airline 271.
Level 2438 at Papa Cross, going out left, Control Lima, 0.75.
outside left of Papa, over 5 Delta, 1438.
Departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes, sir. Good night, departure. Good night, thanks. Left 7557 on Aberoni, runway right, sir. Quick takeoff, day right, on Aberoni, 7557. Southwest 6614 on a runway right, on the way.
8 right, right up away, southwest 6614.
Up 23, yes, 38, taxi 5 inches. Taxi goes to us, up 30. 649, can I park you?
669, good day.
17 North 8, runway 8 left to the left.
Airline 8 left, going to 1 right.
Sun November, hold short of Papa.
Okay, cross 9 right, here Charlie, left on November, short of Papa, Delta 2442.
48 right, clear for takeoff, southwest 6614.
Delta Papa, 3 on a runway right, on the way. Here right now, wait.
Left Sun November behind Southwest.
Yeah, we're going to 3 cross.
Delta 1370, taxi 5 inches. 1370. On a runway right, on the way.
9.8 right, on 2365.
Papa, and then, airport supply, double medical.
Level 1376 at Papa Cross, coming out of left, Control Lima, 0.75.
Heavy traffic, 3 miles. At the approach end, crossway left, give way to 1717 up the left, taxi runway right.
Okay, cleared across, east left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717, FedEx 724 edge.
South 2338, give way to FedEx Hotel.
Give way to FedEx Hotel, about 2238.
FedEx 724, we changed housing to 125,
2532, FedEx 724.
8530 power 11708, runway 8 left, for land. That was 4390, exit Texas Bravo 11, taxi.
Bravo 11, exit, yes, 3238.
Delta 766, on Aberoni, runway right, 6 right, clear to take off on Aberoni, Delta 766. Delta 1682, on a runway right, on a plane.
Delta 1682, line up and wave, runway right, 8 right. Delta 1705, 30.
Delta 1705, line of tower, 1807, coming out of right, middle lane.
Right, Delta 17.
Station 4 company in November 2, going to follow you.
Delta 268400.
Desert range about 14 and Papa Cross going on the left. Join Lima, 175.
And Papa Cross 9 west, Lima, 175,
438, traffic 2.5 out, cross going out of right, then turn left on November. Southwest 92, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left and over, hold short of Papa, Southwest 912. Denver 3301, then start traffic.
Good night.
Good night, man.
Coming out of left, join Lima, 175.
Across 9 west on Lima, 175, that's right, Delta 268400.
Delta 1971 at Papa Cross going out of left, join Lima, 175.
Cross 9 to Papa, join Lima, 0.75 on 1971.
Delta 2438 at Papa Cross going out left, join Lima, 0.75.
Outside left of Papa, 175
Departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes sir, good depart, tonight, thanks. Left, 75, 57, on the runway, right, clear for takeoff. Clear takeoff, pay radar, nav, right, 75, 57. Southwest 6614, on a runway, right, wrong way.
A right, right up away, southwest 6614.
Right. Up 23, yeah, 38, taxi 5. Taxi 04, sub 13. 1370, taxi 5. Take a look, go 1370.
Trail station traffic will be downfield.
5130 Atlantic Tower on 180 Niner, coming out of right.
American 629 on a center lane, right, run away.
Right away, they red, American 629.
South 61, connect, park, connect.
South 61, get in.
American 25.
Thank you, so we'll get away to FedEx, that hotel. Hello, the 1971 Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company in November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684.
Desert Ridge 14 at Pop Cross, went out left, John Lima, 0.75.
At Papa Cross 9 West, Lima, 0.75, 3540.
438, drive 2.5 out, cross going out of right, then turn left on November. South of 94, turn left on November, hold short Pop.
Left and order, hold short of Papa, Delta 912. September 13th, no one didn't start traffic.
Good night.
Good, I have 42%.
Coming out of left, John Lima, 0.75.
Cross 1, 9 left on Lima, 0.75,
Delta 1971 at Papa Cross, going out of left, John Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 at Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438 at Papa Cross, going out left, John Lima, 0.75. Left side left, Papa, 25,
departure for Delta 10 Alpha. Delta 74, yes sir, good night, departure 7. Thanks. Flight 7557 on Aberoni, runway right 30 seconds. Clear takeoff, A right on Aberoni, 7557. Southwest 6614 on a center lane, right on the way.
A right of the way, southwest 6614.
Up 23, 30, 75. Back to the let's go 13. 629, kind of park,
American 629, get in.
on 1708, runway 8 left,
Airline 8 left, going to 1 line.
on November, hold short of Pop.
Okay, cross 9 right, and then here in turn, left on November, short of Papa, Delta 24.
48 right, took the takeoff, southwest 6614.
Delta 3 on a center lane, right on the way. Here right now, wait.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Yeah, we're going to recross.
Delta 1370, 35. Thank you, Delta 1370. On a center lane, right on the way.
5.8 right, about 0.365.
Papa, and then, Southwest 5, Delta 512.
Delta 1376 at Papa Cross, going out of left, John Lima, 0.75.
24 heavy, traffic, 3 miles. That's the approach then. Approximately left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi runway 8 right.
Okay, cleared across, east left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717, FedEx 724.
That's 1938, give way to FedEx at hotel. Give way to FedEx at hotel, that's 2030. FedEx 724, they changed housing with 215,
2532, FedEx 724.
85 heavy town with 1708, runway 8 left, program. That was 2690, exit Texas, Bravo 11, taxi.
Bravo 11, exit, Gateway.
South 61, connect park, connect. South 61, connect. American 25 9. That's great, so we'll get with it, FedEx, back to the shuttle.
Delta 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company, sir.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company in November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, roger.
Denver 514 and Papa cross going on the left, join Lima, 0.75.
Yeah, Papa cross 9 west, Lima, 0.75, 03514.
438, drive 2.5 out, cross going on the right, then turn left on November. Delta 94, turn left on November, hold short Papa.
Left and over, hold short Papa, Delta 912. Denver 3601, start timing.
Good night.
Good, I think.
Coming out left, join Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 miles on, Lima, 175,
Delta 1971 at Papa cross going out left, join Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438 at Papa cross going out left, join Lima, 0.75.
Outside that Papa,
departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes, sir, gonna depart tonight, thanks. Left 7557 on Aberoni, runway right, sir, clear takeoff, day right, on Aberoni, Southwest 614, on a runway right, bottom away.
Stay right, right up away, Southwest 614.
Up 23, yeah, 38, taxi 5 minutes. Taxi 0, Calypso, 13. 649, gonna depart today.
629, good day.
1708, runway 8 left, clear left.
Airline ain't nothing on the one line.
On November, hold short Papa.
Take cross 9 right, and turn here, currently left on November, short of Papa, Delta 2420.
48 right, first takeoff, Southwest 614.
Delta 503, on a runway right, bottom away. You're right, runway.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Airline 3 cross.
Delta 1378, taxi 5 minutes. Signal is Delta 1378. On a runway right, bottom away. Bottom away, they right, 2365. Papa, and then, Southwest 5, Southwest 94.
Delta 1376 at Papa cross going out left, join Lima, 0.75.
Heavy traffic, 3 miles. That's the approach end. Crossway left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi on the right.
Okay, clear to cross, 8 left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717, FedEx 724 west.
That's 1938, give way to FedEx at hotel. Give way to FedEx at hotel, that's 2238. FedEx 724, became Tower 5115.3.
2536, FedEx 724.
85 Heavy Tower 1708, runway 8 left, for land. That was 4690, exit effectively Bravo 11, taxi 52. Bravo 11, exit, Gateway 503, gonna depart today.
5-0.
Delta 766, on Aberoni, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff. 8 right, clear for takeoff on Aberoni, Delta 766. Delta 1682, on a runway 8 right, on a plane.
Delta 1682, line up and wait, runway right, 8 right.
coming down the right, middle lane.
7 are now the lightest coming out of the mic. Clear, take off. Still 1198, when it's turning on, might come out of the way. For delay for trail spacing, traffic will be downfield.
5130 left star, 180 at 9, coming down the right.
American 629 on a turn lane, right on the plate.
On a way, right, American 629.
Southbound 61, and then parking lot. Southbound 51, get it?
American 25 now. That's 33, so won't get away to that exit that hotel. 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right. Turn left on November behind company.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus Delta 1971.
On the 2684 company, November 2, San Apology.
Delta 2684,
Denver 14 at top crossway on the left, John Lima, 0.75.
and on the cross 9 west, 175, or 3514.
438, grab 2.5 out, crossway on the right, and turn left on November. South of 90, turn left on November, hold short of top.
Left and order, hold short of pop, Delta 912. Denver 33, go 150, start traffic.
Parking, good night.
Good, I think we'll keep it together.
Coming down the left, John Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 miles on Lima, 175,
Delta 1971 at top, crossway on the left, John Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 at Papa John Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438 at top, crossway on the left, John Lima, 0.75.
Left side left, top,
departure for Delta 10 Alpha. Delta 10 Florida, turn to depart tonight, thanks. Left 2557 on Amarana, you're away, right, 36. Stay out there, right, on that Southwest 5614 on a turn lane, right on the way.
Stay right up the way, Southwest 56.
Up 23, 38, taxi 5.
Taxi goes to a subpoint 30. 649, and then park,
629, get it.
on 1708, on my
Okay, cross 9 right, here in turn left on November, short of Papa Delta 24.
48 right, first takeoff, Southwest 5614.
Delta 503 on a turn lane, right on the way. Here, right on the way.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Now we're on 3 cross, right. November.
Delta 1370, taxi 5 and 2. Signals are 1370.
Line of way, A right, 2365.
Awesome. And then,
500,
Delta 1336 at top, crossway on the left, John Lima, 0.75.
400, approaching minimums. 300, minimums.
7724 heavy traffic, 3 miles. That's the approach end. Crossway west, give way to
200.
From the left, taxi on the right.
Okay, clear to cross, keep left at hotel, hold short of A right, give way to the 717, 724.
That's my
100.
Give way to FedEx at hotel, no
50, 40, retard, 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 retard.